Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Usuman acarji u city head jong Rapido bait hakan nyu tere ujemang arajar kat kendai ula penher lama kum ka jing Pynbna Paidbah bala pen Sdang ya ka jingkit iginong le jingleng ha ka nong ba Shillong da ki Thuk Shaka bala Sdang ningkong ha kini kejela Meghalaya daga company Rapido ka badai na kanong ba Bengaluru jong kejela Karnataka ya kini ki Thuk ni kali Shaka la penya daga company ka ba na ka sorba Bengaluru da ka jing tmu ban weng ya ka jing jing Paidbah ka ba ki kendo na ka jing deng kali ka bujur hang ni kanong ba Shillong kham tam ha ka por men step ha ka por balong ki school ha ka por balik tray bad ha ka por y school bad ka por one tray office janmen kini company kala bu dor tang arp khandai tangka bagi Paidbah ken siu na ka benta ka jing jingai ka ba 100 kilometer ki Paidbah kila ruban wai lupa ya ka buy late buy one da ka ba download ya ka application na ka Play Store ni ka mobile phone iOS ha ka ba ki nongnya jong kini Thuk ken wan chao bat lek bu Shaka bagi beriu kidan ka mandai.
We are here to curb the traffic, like you can say you can get right of the traffic with it, and you can book your bike using an app named Rapido. Actually, we have two applications, one is for the rider and one is for the customer. For rider, we have an app named Rapido Captain, and for customer commuters, we have an app named Rapido. So what we have to do, like, you have to install the app from Google Play, like Play Store or App Store. You have to download it and you can book your bike, you can set the pickup destination, pickup location and the drop location. So a rider will come, they'll pick you up and they'll drop you to your destination. And the rate we are like running is base fare is 15 rupees. Per minute we are charging per kilometer we are charging 3 rupees, and per minute we are charging 1 rupee. So we already started our operation in Shillong, Guwahati, like in December last year. So this is our second city in Northeast. So hopefully we'll do good in Shillong.
I started riding this last week, and I'm very grateful to be the first female rider in Shillong. I mean in India, I guess. And then I love riding and helping the passenger. I am a student, and then I did Rapido as a part-time.
I'm a rider too, and I feel so good having a job like this. It's a unique job. For me, it's a part-time. Actually, I'm a housewife, so I do taking care of my kids and as well as riding.